Here we have an assembly that needs to be reworked from revision A to revision B. Click BOM Overview. Revision A contains Part 1. Revision B contains 2 additional parts, Part 2 and Part 3. Click Sales. Click Invoices. Click RMA List. Click Create. Assign your internal account as the RMA customer. Click Create RMA. Scroll down and click Part. Add in the revision you are reworking the original build into. We are reworking Rev A into Rev B, so we will change this to be Rev B. Click Update. Scroll and click Create Order to create a rework to stock order. On the left-hand menu you can now click into the rework order. Click into the work order view. Click Maint / etc. plus. Click BOM Management. Add the components that need to be added to change the revision. In this case we are adding Part 2 and Part 3. Scroll right and click Update Order Specific BOM. Scroll left and click +/columns. Scroll down and click Show Revision. Click Close. Drop down the revision and select the revision we will be reworking so that the warehouse picks the correct final assembly. We're picking revision A onto this rework order. Click Rev required to only show bins with containing Rev A of this assembly. Scroll right and click Update Order Specific BOM. Scroll left and click Pick Parts. Click Pick All Lines. Scroll up and click Update. Notice we picked revision A of the final assembly. Click Complete/Receive. Set your finished quantity for revision B, Complete and Receive Product. Navigate to the part to check the warehouse. Here you can see you have reworked one Rev A into a Rev B. That's it. You're done.